Lithium, often dubbed white gold, powers our electrified world. Demand has surged, leading to extensive mining in South America's Lithium Triangle. Extracting lithium comes at a steep environmental price. It requires immense water, depleting local sources and impacting ecosystems. Contaminated groundwater with harmful chemicals poses risks to human health. We need responsible mining, robust recycling, and alternative technologies. Our tech-dependent world relies heavily on rare earth metals. Found in smartphones, computers, wind turbines, and electric car motors, these metals are essential. However, their extraction causes significant environmental damage, including deforestation and soil erosion. The process generates toxic waste, contaminating water sources and posing health risks. Landscapes near mines show scarred land and polluted waterways. China dominates production, facing criticism for environmental disregard. International cooperation and stricter standards are needed. When progress poisons the human cost of tech production, the environmental toll of our insatiable appetite for technology extends beyond the immediate vicinity of mines and processing plants. The toxic byproducts of tech manufacturing can travel vast distances, polluting air and water, accumulating in the food chain, and ultimately impacting human health on a global scale. In communities located near mining and processing facilities, the health consequences can be particularly severe. Exposure to heavy metals and other toxic substances has been linked to respiratory problems, birth defects, and an increased risk of certain types of cancer. The human cost of our tech addiction is often borne by marginalized communities with limited access to healthcare and legal recourse. The pursuit of technological advancement cannot come at the expense of human health and well-being. A truly sustainable approach to technology must prioritize the health and safety of workers, communities, and future generations. The urgent need for sustainable technology. The environmental and social challenges posed by our technological dependence necessitate a fundamental shift in how we design, produce, use, and dispose of our devices. This transition requires a multi-pronged approach, encompassing government regulations, corporate responsibility, and individual action. Governments play a crucial role in setting environmental standards, promoting sustainable practices, and investing in research and development of green technologies. Incentivizing companies to adopt more environmentally friendly production processes, promoting responsible sourcing of raw materials, and implementing stricter regulations on waste disposal are all essential steps in the right direction. Corporations have a responsibility to minimize their environmental footprint throughout their supply chains. This includes sourcing raw materials from responsible suppliers, reducing waste and emissions during manufacturing, designing products for durability and repairability, and taking responsibility for the end-of-life management of their products. From exploitation to innovation, a new path forward. Technological innovation itself holds the key to mitigating many of the environmental challenges posed by our tech-driven world. Investing in research and development of alternative materials, cleaner production methods, and more efficient energy storage solutions is crucial for decoupling technological progress from environmental degradation. Promising avenues of innovation include the development of solid-state batteries, which offer higher energy density and reduced risk of fire or leakage compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. Researchers are also exploring the potential of alternative battery chemistries that rely on more abundant and less toxic materials, such as sodium, magnesium, or even seawater. Beyond batteries, advancements in material science are leading to the development of more sustainable alternatives to rare earth metals. For instance, researchers are exploring the use of readily available and less environmentally damaging materials, such as iron and copper, to create magnets with comparable performance to those made with rare earth elements. Our tech-shaped future, a shared responsibility. The environmental and social costs associated with our tech-dependent world are a stark reminder that technological progress cannot come at the expense of the planet and its inhabitants. We are at a crossroads where our choices today will determine the kind of future we bequeath to generations to come. Embracing a truly sustainable technological future requires a collective effort from governments, corporations, and individuals alike. By demanding more sustainable practices, supporting responsible companies, and making conscious consumption choices, we can steer technological innovation towards a path that benefits both humanity and the environment. The future of our planet depends on our ability to reconcile our technological aspirations with our responsibility to safeguard the Earth's delicate ecosystems for generations to come.